plays volleyball.
I think they're having some people coming in.
Their season's over.
Will they be
It's other
doing the
stuff.
volleyball
That's
place?
the upward place, I think. Yeah. Way to make it count. Let's go. Defense, White. Get it, White. Call the travels. Both ways. Since you want to say something back, Smarty. Oh, that was a wide open miss. Let's go, White.
Gotta give it up! Hey,
Come on. Gotta pass that ball. Nah, don't do all that either.
You got to give it! You got to pass the ball! Hey, you can't slide there and grip. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, White.
Travel! Come on! You've got to be kidding me!
Come on!
They have to see their feet every time. Yeah! Let's go! Good work! Good defense! Ooh. Ooh.
Rebound. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give it up! Let's go, J.R. Push it, baby!
Set it up, White!
Teamwork.
Yeah, good move. Good move. Way to take it to the basket, baby! Put it up, go. Go, yeah, baby!
Yeah!
Way to go, Bray! Come on, hey, we ain't looking back!
Oh my gosh! Yeah!
Let's go, baby! We ain't looking back, baby! Hey, put the power to it!
Let's go, White!
Ain't looking back! All right. Hey,
Let's go! Defense! That kid travels every time he gets the ball.
Oh! Hey, let's get going, y'all!
Thank you!
Take it to the hole! Make it foul! Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go, White!
Guys, up! Yeah, baby! Zion, don't hesitate, baby! Put it up! Put it in there! Don't hesitate!
They were throwing it in. So.
Yeah. Nice set. Yeah, are you all right?
Yeah.
Hold it up, hold it up. Go, Doc. We got time. Come, baby. Go, Frank.
There you go.
Take it, Frank. You gotta get out of the front, man. You gotta get out of the front.
Backcourt! Oh my gosh. These refs suck. Of course you calling that. What about the backcourt?
Oh, well.
Let's go, baby. We ain't looking back. We ain't looking back. We ain't looking back, baby. They playing catch up. No busting. They hide. They hide catch up. Slow. Still out there with the curry to beat their number. He said, Mustard, catch up. High catch up, come out slow.
Let's go, White. Finish strong.
Go, Doc. You didn't do it, baby. Let's go, Cal.
Go, White.
Let's go, Cal.
Come on, baby boy.
All right, go. Take it. Take it, Bray. Take it, Bray.
Really?
I like that walk. Hey, good move, Bray.
That was a good move.
Good move, baby.
Come on, defense. Walking. All day.
Again.
All day.
So it went from a travel to they getting the points and the foul.
Again. 3 travels, they scored
I
all.
thought dribbling was a part of basketball. Apparently it's not today. You're allowed to just walk with the ball.
Well, that's like 3 scores from traveling.
Yeah.
Put it up, Cal.
Kyle, you got it.
Fire.
Let's go! Let's go!
Put it up.
Defense! His foot probably was on the line.
Good shot, though.
Good defense. Good shot, Kyle.
They won't get it, too.
Kyle, move your feet, baby. Rebound.
That was a little late.
Pass out, baby. Yes, sir.
I told you he was talking to him before the game.
What's wrong with you, man? We can block out. He's bossing out.
You're making your own rules. Boo! Bad call. You know it's a bad call. That's why you asking everybody. Oh, you already called it. You got to go with it now.
What the heck? Let's give him 2 more points just because. Now what?
Missed it anyways. It was on them. 17 seconds.
Go get it.